This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shannon Cantu. Delray offers an open floor plan featuring 3 beds plus flex room, 2 baths, plenty of storage space, large lanai and a 2-car garage. The kitchen and baths are adorned with white, quality crafted custom designed cabinetry and solid surface counters. Enjoy luxurious finishes and features throughout. Community amenities include guarded gate, 22 lakes, all navigable, 1-mile-long boating/rowing lane, boat ramp, island club, fitness center, 2 bocce ball courts, beach volleyball, Tiki bar and café with food and beverage service, resort-style pool with lap lanes, fire pit, private kontiki island, use of electric boat stand-up paddle boards, kayaks, canoes and bicycles, tennis and pickleball courts, 2 dog parks, miles of walking/biking paths, basketball court, a children's play area and more. Low HOA fees. Take a tour with our video tour. For more information, review the details below.